guys, it's your girl Deiya and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I actually just wanted to give a little quick tutorial on how I do my turmeric mask and just a little update about how it has helped my skin since in 2019. And I also do just want to show you guys how I do apply it on my face, how I look after it dries, and this is basically going to be a part of my little skin routine that I do want to put it out there for those of you who do suffer from hyperpigmentation, for those of you who suffer from breakouts, just suffer from uneven skin tone. I know as of right now I do not have perfect skin. I am working on it. That is something that I've been working on since the end of 2019, and I do want to continue that in 2020. So I know I'm looking crazy too, I'm literally about to do this mask, and I was like, you know what, let me just hop on here and let me show you guys, what I do. I typically do my mask every Thursday. Today is Saturday. I was busy Thursday, so I couldn't do my mask Thursday, and I was pretty tired because I did come in late. So I'm like, you know what, let me just do my mask on Saturday. Wouldn't really make a difference because I'm still doing it during the week. But with that being said, like I said, my skin is not perfect. My turmeric journey did start I believe last year in 2019 in December is when I first got introduced to how to make my turmeric mask, and also did get introduced to the benefits of it. So I found out about my turmeric mask by my sister, and she wasn't the one that actually told me hey, you could do a turmeric mask because she was doing it. It was that she used to follow a girl that did suffer from acne just like me, but was not my skin complexion, was just a lighter skin complexion that did suffer from breakouts. And she told me to check out her page and check out what she does and see if I can take this in advantage and use it for myself. So I did go on the girl's page and I checked out her page, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this turmeric mask. And ever since the first day that I've tried it, I've loved it. I've definitely loved turmeric. I love the mask. It definitely did clear. I did have a lot of hyperpigmentation on my right side of my face, and the lady that does my facial, she told me that part of the reason why that is because my right side is the side of my face that I constantly sleep on, and I should constantly change my pillowcases, and I should constantly change and wash my sheets and even my pillow itself. And this is a year that I will take advantage of that, and I definitely will change that. So with that being said, I did suffer with a lot of hyperpigmentation on the right side of my face, worse than how it is today. And on the left side, it's really not that bad. I probably will get a pimple here and there, but it's not as worse as my right side. I definitely did have some dark marks on my forehead. I have a dark mark right here, as you guys can see. But, just little stuff here and there. I did break out. I used to break out under my neck just a little bit. Wasn't too much. So I used it all throughout my face. I'm gonna show you guys anyway what I do and how I do it and all the little good stuff, and I definitely will drop a tutorial of how I make it. Let me show you guys how I make my turmeric mask. So the first thing you're gonna need is almond milk, then you're gonna need turmeric, then honey, and then unbleached all-purpose flour. You're also gonna need a bowl. You're gonna need a tablespoon, a regular spoon, a teaspoon, and a knife. So I already have my flour poured out, my 2 tablespoons of flour in the bowl. So I'm just going to put it in a bowl to mix it in. Then you're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, just like that. I typically like to flatten it out to make sure it's even with the knife. Then I'm going to pour it in. Next, I'm going to do just a few drops of honey, which is very beneficial. You can also use manuka for acne. Then I'm going to go in with my 3 tablespoons of milk, just like that. You can also use yogurt to fight acne, but I like to use milk. Now I'm just mixing it thoroughly, make sure, look at it just dripping out. But I'm just mixing it thoroughly just to make sure I get all that good stuff for my face, just like that. And yeah, so you basically have a good consistency there, and you got your turmeric mask just like that. Bye. Okay guys, so now that we're back from seeing how I do make my turmeric mask, I hope you guys do take advantage of it, and it has helped me a lot. I do want to keep you guys updated about my skin. And the thing is that turmeric definitely brightens your skin. So my mom and my dad knows that I'm a darker tone than from my sisters. So with that being said, after me using the turmeric mask after a while, because when I did first use it, I was using the turmeric mask every day because I was like, you know what, like I really want my acne to clear. I definitely do want these dark marks on my cheeks to clear. Like, who doesn't want clear skin? That is definitely my goal for 2020. For, you know, how long it is going to take to clear my skin. I want to clear my skin, and I'm definitely going to put in effort, and I'm going to put in time to clear my skin. But all in all, when I was using my turmeric mask, I definitely was using it every day. Now, the thing about using turmeric every day is that it will definitely brighten your skin, and if you put it and leave it on for too long, it will leave your skin yellow, and you do not want that. You definitely want to leave your turmeric mask on for about 30 minutes. You can even leave it on for less than that if you do put a thin layer. But for me, I like to put a good enough amount of layer on my skin so it can suck out the oil from my nose, and it could definitely, you know, deal with the hyperpigmentation like I said. But definitely before I was using turmeric every day, and I had stopped that because not only was it brightening my skin too much, even though I did appreciate it, because I have came across a lot of family members that did ask me if I bleach my skin, and I'm like, no, like my skin is just clear, and I'm using a turmeric mask that is potentially helping me with the breakouts that you guys saw me with before. But I'm not bleaching my skin. With that being said, I stopped using turmeric every day. It did dry out my skin as well. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it did dry out my skin. And the thing about with me and my skin is that, yeah, I do have oily skin, but if I do, you know, too much mask, or if I don't moisturize my skin with the right moisturizers, my skin will be dry and then my skin will get dark. But that didn't happen with the turmeric mask because I still was using different moisturizers, using the same moisturizer to moisturize my face. But turmeric is very good, and we're gonna hop into how I do this mask. So I'll see you guys in the bathroom. So I do first start off with my micellar cleansing water from Garnier. I really do like this cleansing water. It is very powerful but gentle on my skin. I do have sensitive skin, so this is really a plus for those who have sensitive skin. I do want to take off, you know, the layers of the dirt before I do go in officially cleansing and doing a mask. So I will be placing the micellar water on a cotton pad, as you can see. Well, a cotton round, actually. I do double cleanse. I like to get all over my face. I definitely do like to focus on my problem areas. I do get around my eyes, my forehead, everything. The second time I do, you know, do the same thing as the first time, but then I also like to go under my neck because I do happen to break out under there as well, sometimes here and there. And yeah, that's just me getting all that good dirt off. I then go into washing it because this is not something that you want to keep on your face. Next, I'll be using the Even Tone Cleansing Bar from Urban Skin RX. This is by far my favorite cleansing bar that I've used on my acne journey. Like I said, my skin is very sensitive, so I make sure I do wash my hands before I do any of this. And to apply the soap, I will be using my fingers and my hands, as you can see right here. I just take a little bit, I rub it in my hands just like that, and make sure I get all that sud. If I do need more sud, I will definitely add some more water just in case, just to make sure that the soap disintegrates. And yeah, that's just me just adding some more water, as you can see. And I'm just gonna apply it on my face thoroughly. I like to use my palms. I like to focus on my cheeks because that's where I typically break out. I like to focus around the eyes just to even out my skin. I do pass it under my neck as well, all over, even on the forehead, because I do break out, just like a couple of breakouts on there, not too much, probably like a pimple here and there. But yeah, I just like to focus, and then I'm just gonna wash my skin, and I pat my skin dry with a paper towel, because you don't want to drag your skin with a washcloth or a towel that you typically would dry your skin with. Now here's the part that you guys all been waiting for, the turmeric mask. Now here's a little close-up of what it looks like. To apply the mask, I will be using my Yes Tool mask tool. I did get this for Christmas from my sister, and these are one of the many gifts that I do appreciate. You know, I love doing masks, and she knows that, so she gave this to me. So I just wanted you guys to know that the turmeric mask is a mask that you should keep in the fridge, due to the fact that it does have milk and you don't want it to get spoiled. Now, I love the feeling that it does give. It gives a nice cool feeling after being in the fridge and after cleansing my face. I also want to let you guys know that you do want to wear a t-shirt that you don't really care about, because the mask may drip and turmeric does stain. Now, this is just me applying the mask just all around my face. I do apply a thick layer because I do want the mask to work for me. And this is just a close-up of how I'm applying it. This mask is very helpful and is very useful. Before I did get this mask tool, I was using a spoon to apply it, and it went well, but I really do appreciate this mask tool because I get to get in the crevices by my nose. I get to get, you know, above my lip and between my eyebrows without any issues and without any problems that I did have with this spoon. Now I'm just going in by my hairline, all around my face, and I will be going in under my neck because I do have some dark marks under there as well, and I typically break out here and there under there. So this is just me applying it, and this is just a mini close-up of how it looks on my skin. See, my nose was dripping, LOL, like I told you guys, but this is just how it looks on my face. And you will leave this mask on for 30 minutes, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. This is exactly what the mask looked like when it dries. So it didn't really fully dry on the left side of my face and on the right side a little bit because I did put too much of a thick layer. So sometimes I would leave it on my skin for more than 30 minutes just to give it more time to dry. But this is basically what it looks like. I know I probably look scary, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like after 30 minutes. So I hope you guys take heed. Alright you guys, so I am back from washing out my turmeric mask. I actually did just go in the shower just one time because I like to go in the shower after I do my turmeric mask. I don't know, it's just something that I do. But I definitely did go in with my spot treatment, and I did go in with my moisturizer and my ice roller that I did get from Vanity Planet. So once I do put out my skincare routine, I would definitely be linking all the products that I do use for my skincare routine in the description down below. But I do feel like every time that I use my turmeric mask, my face does look brighter, and it definitely looks moisturized and it looks healthy, and I love that. Like, I really do love that turmeric mask. And it is currently 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I didn't even know it was 1 o'clock in the morning, but I'm up and I'm wide awake and I'm really surprised. But yeah, this turmeric mask is definitely a go-to for people who do suffer from hyperpigmentation and for those who do suffer from dark marks as well as uneven skin tone. I can definitely say that it has helped me, like I said in the beginning, and I definitely will keep you guys updated about my journey with the turmeric mask. But if you didn't already, because I think I didn't say in the beginning, but go hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell and give this video a big thumbs up, because I think I missed that. I was just so into getting in tune about this turmeric mask because it is a mask that I do love, but it is not my only mask that I do use. But like I said, that will be in the skincare routine video that is coming very soon. But of course, before this video ends, if you didn't already, go follow my hair page at Here's Deiya. It will be somewhere on the screen, bright and bright and big and bold for you guys to go follow. I do have pictures and I do videos and I just do motivational quotes for you guys every day. Keep you guys updated about my life and about my little routines, just about me loving myself, and I do definitely interact with the community, so just go check that out. And I love you guys. I love you guys so much. We are at 60 subscribers. 60 subscribers, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.